night we went live on TikTok. We were actually banned for like 4 or 5 days, so it was super annoying. We weren't able to go live for a while. So last night we went live and we knew it would be crazy because our customers, they love our bags, they love our prices. And so I went live and we did about 10,000 in sales last night. So I am packaging up all these orders to ship out today. I've got a decent amount of Louis, Gucci, Dior, Fendi, Chanel, and some really cool pieces that we're shipping out today. And so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna pack them up and we're gonna be on TikTok live while we're packing them and say hi to everybody. If you're liking our content, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more really fun videos that we make each day. I can get started with one and then we can kind of roll. If you see your bag in the background that I might be shipping today, put it in the comments, shout it out, let me know, say hey, need some coffee. Okay, I'm gonna start with this. This is a Copenhagen bag and it is a really cute little wristlet style bag. This is order number 1856. It's heading to West Covina, California. West Covina, California. So we're gonna pack this one up real quick, and then we've got a decent amount of bags to get through today. So I'm gonna go semi-fast. All right, that was our first package. It was 1856, again, heading to West Covina, California. So congratulations on your cute little Copenhagen bag. Next, we're gonna do this little YSL bag. It is a linen tote bag. I believe this was part of the perfumes collection, which is usually like an add-on to another purse or another bag. So that's what this one was. It's just a little linen bag, great little beach bag, with a YSL on the front there. So let's find the shipping thing so I don't accidentally put it in there. And this one is order 1855. It's heading to San Antonio, Texas. So congratulations on your super cute bag. All right, the next order is exciting because it is 2 bags and it's going out to a VIP customer. It's for Susan, one of our wonderful customers. This is order 1859 heading to Lynbrook, New York. So first I have this Fendi Bucket Bag. Look how cool this is. We tried this on and we showed this on the live last night, and I think there was lots of customers that were like, kind of goo goo gaga over it a little bit, but it is beautiful, like caramel brown color leather throughout it, and it is in beautiful condition. There was one tiny little scuff here in the corner, but otherwise gorgeous condition. Has these cute little charms here, and then the best part about it is it's like semi-translucent, so you can kind of see my hand through there, but not a lot. So this would pass for the clear bag policy for like sporting events and things like that. And the crossbody strap is adjustable, and Fendi makes some of the best, arguably some of the best straps in the designer industry. So I'm actually just gonna take that off so it doesn't rub on the exterior. And then she also got another item as well. So we're gonna pack up both of her items and ship them out together, of course. And then this one came with the original dust bag, so that is going in to there. Fuzz. All right, and then I'm gonna set this one aside because her second item that she purchased was this Louis Vuitton Bloomsbury. It's a damier ebene pattern, and the Bloomsbury is quite difficult to find. I don't see very many of them. I don't get them in often. I think this is actually only my second one that we've ever gotten in. Very similar to the Odeon, but the Bloomsbury is typically in the damier ebene pattern. And then the difference is this one has a really cool magnetic front pocket and a zipper closure at the top, which the Odeon does too, and 2 slip pockets on the inside. So lots of little compartments on this one. Zip her up. This is a beautiful bag. Like, I'm kind of obsessed with it. Kind of sad that it's sold because I wanted it for myself. It's fine. It's fine. I'll survive. All right. I currently have like over 120 items on my website right now. So feel free to, the website's pinned at the bottom of the screen. So feel free to go to the website and browse it. We have 4 orders left, I believe. This one is going to Canada. It's a cute little Miu Miu clutch. Look. So Miu Miu is actually Prada's sister brand. So they created another brand and it's a little bit lower price point, but honestly, in my opinion, similar like quality. So this leather is just so soft. You can tell it's just very high quality leather. And then this is really neat. It like opens up kind of like a, I don't know, like magnetic, but not in a way. It's just like a weird, interesting function. And then here's the interior. You can't really see, but the interior has a little slip pocket on the inside. It is cotton on the inside. So, and this one does come with the dust bag. So we're gonna pop it in the dust bag, and then it's gonna go into a, this is just the original Miu Miu tag, which is interesting. So I'm just gonna add it to there in case the customer wants that. And it's just gonna go in the dust bag, and then we're gonna put it in this little poly mailer because it's already bubble wrapped on the inside. All right, the next one, we're gonna go with these items here. These are 2 items that are gonna go ship out to a customer. This customer had a couple questions on like which bag she should get. She was like trying to decide between a couple of the Neverfulls on our website, which we still have 2 Neverfulls on our website right now, guys. So she was kind of going back and forth. She sent me an Instagram message and I did my best to like help her make that decision. So she ended up going with the Damier Ben one, and she added a little wallet to go with it. So we're gonna ship that out. It's order 1853 going to Avon, Indiana, which is about 15 minutes from where I used to live. This is a Sarah wallet. Oh, it comes with a dust bag. This is the Sarah wallet. The Sarah wallet is, besides the zippy wallet, probably Louis Vuitton's second most popular style wallet. The interior has 12 card slots, coin section, and then additional card slots on the front right here too, which is really cool. So, perfect almost. So clean on the inside, bright and red. We're gonna bubble wrap it up. This is quite large, so I need to find a large dust bag, or a large box to put that box in. Okay, and then the little wallet is ready to go. Again, this was order 1853 going to Avon, Indiana. It is a pretty long crossbody strap, and with all straps I always just take them off and fold them up, and then I stick them on the inside so that the hardware on the strap doesn't scratch or rub on any part of the exterior of the bag. So that's what I'm gonna do real fast. This one, I think Shanna is on her 20th order maybe from us. So if there's somebody on here that's asking if our bags are legit or any questions about bags, she is the one to ask. The other item that she purchased as well was this Louis Vuitton Victorian wallet, which came with a box. And the Victorian wallet is in Louis Vuitton Empreinte material, which is the like embossed leather. And this one's navy blue with, actually it's black, I'm just kidding. It's navy blue with a red glazing on it. Shanna likes her navy blue, and she was joking. She was like, I hope it's navy blue. It does have a cute little pocket in the back. Just put your favorite credit card or your husband's credit card right there so you can use it more often. And then it does open up, and you can put quite a bit of stuff on the interior. And it's got a cute little coin pouch. So it's got all the things, all the compartments that you need in this little bag. I'm just gonna bubble wrap that one since it doesn't come with the dust bag. It just comes with the box, but I don't want it to get damaged or anything while it's in transit, like popping around in the box, you know. It's got a long ride. Shanna is based in Alaska, so this one has a very long trip to get to her. But it actually doesn't take too long. I think it only takes usually like 3 days to get all the way to Alaska from here. So we do ship worldwide for free, everyone. And guys, I did pin the website at the bottom of the screen. So if you're new and you're curious, our website's pinned. You can go to the website and browse. And then into the box, it's like literally a perfect fit. It's amazing. All right, going in the box. And then we are almost finished. I've got two more things to package. Guys, we get new arrivals like almost every day. Is long enough to be worn as a crossbody bag, or you can wear it as a shoulder bag, but it lays pretty far. It lays pretty far if you wear it as a shoulder bag. It also has this little front frocket, is what we'll call it, a frocket, and it does lock right there, twist lock closure. It has the vintage little CC balls right here, and then it does just tighten up like that. So I'm just gonna tuck this strap in the inside, and then we're gonna bubble wrap it up and send it out to Diane. I'll check the order number. It's order number 1864. It was actually the last bag that we sold last night on our live before we finished. We just finished packing up all of these orders and they're going to be shipping out. If you enjoy the content, we make stuff like this all the time, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which one of these was your favorite. You can find our entire collection on our website at milkhoneycollection.com.